Bob from Shocker Hitch. So everybody knows us as a towing company, air hitch company, which we are, but we're also a towing company. So we build our air ride hitch, gives us a nice smooth tow. I saw a problem. We had to fix it as a towing company. It's time to fix this, and here it is. So we've come up with what I call a wheel cradle system. There's a strap every size, shape, and color on the market you can imagine. But they don't address one problem. We have to capture the wheel and stop the roll. That's what matters in this case. We have to stop the roll. In our new cradle system, that's exactly what we've done. Okay, to start with, what we have is a ratcheting spool at the front edge. That tightens your strap. The strap will run low for clearance on low cars. Then there's a pivot bar that redirects the strap from the ratchet over the tire, around the tire, and to the lift plate in the rear. The lift plate in the rear is the real key to this. When you tighten the strap, the lift plate lifts, pushing the tire forward into the stop. That's what locks that wheel into place and stops the roll. We built in a series of holes for adjusting the stop forward or rearward depending on the wheel size. One other point, this lift plate has also got a series of holes. So in case you need to move your vehicle forward or rearward, you've got some options here. So this has got 3 settings. A low setting for a low car, a medium setting, maybe you've just got a standard automobile, or maybe you're hauling a pickup, you've got a little more clearance, so you could go to the high setting. So anyway, it's very adjustable, adaptable for different vehicles, wheel sizes, and so on. And for release, there. We've just unhooked. Time to leave and go again. Guide the strap around the tire. 4-inch wide strap, by the way, a nice footprint for the tire. Hook it to the lift plate. Tighten up your ratchet. That's locked into place. If you want to learn more about our wheel cradle system or any of our other products, give us a call at 701-707-2666 or visit our website at shockerhitch.com.